which is 555 tuna. And as you know, when you say tuna, typically you talk about or you remember omega-3, DHA, vitamin D. These are the things that we've been telling you over the past few years. Low cholesterol, it's a belly trimmer. Yung kasi kasabi namin, the health benefits of tuna is very known to many, mainly by the work of Century as a company in total. So this is the usual imagery. Pagka narinig niyo yung pangalan na Century or tuna, you would associate it with sexy bodies, which is true to a great number of consumers in the Philippines. But for a majority of the Filipino consumer, health and nutrition takes priority over sexy. That's why ganyan po namin sinesegment ang ating merkado. As you know, almost 98% of the Philippine population are from the DE socio-economic class. So, importante naman na as a company, we serve, kasi ang vision ng kumpanya namin is to nourish and delight everyone every day. Diba? So, it's important na lahat po ng sectors ng ating society ay nabibigyan po namin ng produkto na angkop or bagay po sa kanilang kalagayan sa buhay. So, thinking of the socio-economic class D&E, naisip namin, siguro we wanted to have you see the day in the life of the DE consumer. Tinignan din namin ito para mas makarelate kami sa mga pangangailangan nila sa pag-develop ng mga brands, mga produkto. As you know, our company's strength is really R&D and consumer intimacy. So let me walk you through a 4-minute capsule of the day in the life of ilihim natin sa pangalan na Aling Feli. Si Aling Feli, totoong tao po yan. Yan, kilala ko po si Aling Feli. Si Aling Feli, maaga po yan nagigising. Alas 4:30, gising na po yan. And typically what they do is they prepare breakfast for their children. And yung baon ng anak niya. Yung baon usually rice, eggs, at saka sardines, tuna, or tuyo. Ang typical na hinahanda nila yan. Mga alas 5:30 or so, ginigising na po niya yung mga anak niya, and then she prepares for their school uniform. So it's always service. Magigising siya maaga para makabili ng tinapay, tapos ihahanda yung breakfast, gigisingin yung mga bata, ihatid sa eskwelahan. And then mga 6:30, she does her chores, she cleans up her kitchen, and then she prepares her budget for the palengke. Normally mga 200 pesos a day. 150 to 200 pesos per day. So, importante po na sulit ang mga binibili. Yung tama yung presyo at saka yung halaga ng mga pinagbibili niya. And then she goes to the palengke. May mga suki na po yan at pinapamili niya. Typically, mga fish and vegetables ang usual na nasa basket nila. Around 9 a.m., she goes through the process of yung labada. Yung nagiging labandera po siya. Tapos, towards the end of she also does sideline na bilang isang labandera. And then, by about 11, she starts to prepare for lunch. Sinusundo yung mga anak niya from school. And then, they partake of their typical lunch, which is again fish, vegetables, and then yung meat, yung mas masasarap na mga ulam or mas kompleto, dinireserve nila for dinner time kasi medyo mahal. Then they watch TV, typically Eat Bulaga or so, or other variety shows. 1 o'clock, a little past in the afternoon, she does more chores, again, continues to service the family. Very busy day in the life of our Aling Feli. By 4, hindi pa rin po siya tumitigil, hindi pa rin nagpapahinga, nagsa-sideline po. Either mananahe, labandera, she continues with the laundry. And then, by 6 p.m., that's when she gets very excited. Pauwi na si Mister. Nandito na po siya. So, excited siya. Buong pamilya nag-aantay para makauwi si Mister. And then they prepare. And by 7, they have their dinner together. And then they watch telenovelas after they teach and help the children with their assignment. So, in summary, ang buhay po ng ating majority of our consumers is very optimistic, matiisin, very practical, but at the same time, very family-oriented and aspirational. They hope for a better future, but more importantly, they sacrifice for their family all the time. And their reality really is just doing household chores, taking care of the family, more sacrifices, and they watch TV. just to be able to relate and cope with the difficulties and the challenges of everyday life. So nung naisip namin, baka kung parating ganito ang imagery natin, hindi makarelate masyado ang mga aling feli po natin. So what we thought, it's important that we communicate with our consumers using endorsers who are credible, who are someone that they look up to, yung tinitingalaan po ng ating mga consumer. And then, our endorser at the same time should be able to help our consumers escape a little bit. If you notice, it's family time, work, and escapism. Yung nanonood sila mga teleserye, etc. So we put all of this together, and we said, ito naman, sa ulam naman, kailangan ni Aling Feli masarap, sulit, healthy, at kumpleto. Hindi pwede yung, as you can see, parang repeat ng repeat yung nagiging ang sinaserve. So, perfect rin sa mga housewife ang naisip namin. Kasi ang 555 tuna, timplado na, lutong bahay sarap, there are some samples on your table, gawa sa tuna, so healthy rin, lahat ng benefit ng tuna nandun, affordable, and at the same time, healthy. And that's why we came up with this campaign. This is our second run of this theme called Kumpleto Na. And we're very excited to show you this video to give you a snapshot of the journey of 555 in the minds of our consumers and how we position it. I hope you enjoy this video. Maraming pong salamat and good afternoon.